Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 19 February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 8, second number 14, number 27, number 35. Number 41, booster number 12, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 6, number 16, number 24, number 36, number 45, booster number 33. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this